Hello, dear children. Welcome back to Manisha Ki Kaksha. How are you all today? Hope you are fit and fine. Today we will learn a new lesson of English, Go and Come. Children, do you like it when someone orders you to do something? Like go and clean your room or go and get some vegetables now? I'm sure you don't like to be ordered. But sometimes you too give orders to your siblings or friends and they might ignore you. Do you know why? Do you think a little change in words can make a difference? Let's find out. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden. And so there was a lot of work to do there. The plants had to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. So children, this lesson is about a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. Cottage means a small simple house, the one you see in the villages. There was a lovely garden around his house and there were different plants growing in the garden. So there was a lot of work to do. What work? Let's see. Like watering the plants, giving manure time to time. Manure is a material mixed with soil to help the plants to grow. How milk helps you to grow? In the same way. Then they had to be pruned. Prune means removing the dead and unwanted part of the plants. And then weeding. Very often some unwanted plants like grass or other wild plants grow with the main plants, which needs to be removed from time to time. This is called weeding. Oh, that's a lot of work. So everyone in the family helped to take care of the garden. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. One day, he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. "Little boy," said the uncle, "you would be far better at your work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Go now and weed it like a good child." But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. "I can't do it," he said. "Oh yes, you can," said the uncle. "Well, I don't want to. Not just now," said the little boy. "But you must," said his uncle. "Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go." Now what happened, children? So one day, a very strict uncle came to stay with them. He was very disciplined and believed in hard work. One day, when he saw the little boy playing, he asked him to weed the garden. But the little boy did not want to do it that day and said the same to his uncle. But uncle ordered him to go and do the work. What do you think? How the boy must have felt? Let's find out. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Just then, his mother walked in. "What's the matter, little boy?" she asked. "Why do you look so unhappy?" "Uncle told me to weed the garden," said the boy. Now, after giving order, the uncle went away to carry on his own work. But the little boy was upset with his uncle's words. His chin began to wobble, means his chin began to shake. He had a lump in his throat. When you feel like crying, you feel a certain heaviness in your throat. And his eyes welled up. His eyes were filled with tears. That means the boy was about to cry. But just then his mother came and asked him the matter. The boy told her that the uncle has told him to weed the garden. "Oh," said his mother, "what fun that will be! I love to weed, and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weed?" "Why, yes," said the boy. "Come, let's do it now," said his mother. So after listening to the matter, mother excitedly replied that it would be a fun and she loved to weed. She also asked the boy if she could help him. The boy was happy to hear that and said yes. So his mother said, "Come, let's do it. Now, children, remember this sentence. I'm going to ask you a question related to it at the end of this lesson. Now let's move to the last para of the lesson. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. So the boy readily means willingly worked in the garden along with his mother. They had a great time and they enjoyed working together. So children, here the story ends. And now it's time for my question. Children, the little boy worked happily when his mother told him to, but he was not agreed when his uncle told him to do so. What made him change his mind? Let us recall what the uncle said. "Go at once and do your work." Now let's see what his mother said. "Come, let's do it now." Do you find any difference in both these sentences? Yes, you guessed it right. The second one sounds more humble and polite. So children, do you agree now that a little change in words can do wonders? I hope children, you too will keep this in mind and would try to be more humble. Here I have listed some extra word meanings for you. You can go through them. And now it's time for our fun activity. So what you have to do? Make a thank you card. You can give it to someone who always brings a smile on your face. It can be your mother, father, brother, sister, or anyone. So children, it's time for me to say goodbye. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care.